Hello, welcome back. Since the main holiday season ended at the end of October, although there have been boats on the water, there were so few that I didn't film them. So throughout those months, as you know, I've been all over Norfolk filming the wildlife and other various places I find along the way. But guess what? Today, I'm back filming the boats. I start off here at St Benets Abbey, and then I drive over to Cold Harbour and film there. And I was going to stop at Womack Stays on the way home, but totally drove past it, forgot all about it. So we'll never know what's there. The gentleman in the canoe was over where I'm sat, but obviously he's in the water. But he's moved over there to the reeds on the way down to Fleet Dyke because there were two swans kept annoying him. So I don't blame him for moving away, really. But they've now gone, and he's gone. It's got a bit cold here, really, just for sitting around waiting for the boats to come past. So I'm going to go over to Cold Harbour and see if there's anything going past there. I just get to the car park and I could see the barn owl was out. So I thought, I'll film him. And then, unbeknownst to me, he landed on the post right beside the car park. So the video of him I'll put onto my second channel. And I'll keep this one just boats. So obviously I've speeded the footage up of me going to Cold Harbour. But it seemed that every single car possible I met on the journey. Usually I do that trip along the road and I don't see any other car. But today it was just quite regular, really. But never mind, it's good that everybody's out. So here we are, we just got to go down this very bumpy track. Turn round so we're facing the right way in case any cranes come past. But let's have a look at the river and see what's happening here. Dayboat going past with a lovely dog at the back. I do like filming at this spot because you can get level with the river. So the wind's dropped, so it's a lot quieter, and the sailing boat has gone past, but I could hear this sort of droning noise in the background and looked up and down the river, couldn't see anything else, and then I looked up. I think this is called a paraglider. Do correct me if I'm wrong. Now, throughout the winter, what has been missing in every video? What do I normally include in my summer videos? Yes, coffee, of course. We've got new coffee sachets from Bob, and the flask that you'll see in a minute is what I was sent at Christmas from Hilary. So thank you both. At least you can see I am using them, but I know I did say it wouldn't be until I started my boat videos, so I kept my word. Here they are, and they will make an appearance yet again, another time. The paraglider is back. I don't know where he went to, but he's been gone a good while, and it looks like he's now making his way back to wherever his base is. It looks to me as though he has a helmet camera on, so I wonder if he posts his videos to YouTube. They would be amazing to see. Thurn Mill. I'm viewing all these from where I am at Cold Harbour. St Benets Abbey, seen from across the marshes at Cold Harbour. Ranworth Church. And then we've got Ranworth Church and St Benet's Abbey in the same shot. And then the paraglider again. I know I say this in every video, but for anybody new who's watching, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And perhaps you'd like to subscribe to me if you enjoy my content. And thank you all for watching. And I'll be back again soon.